Welcome to Innovision, your portal to tomorrow's technology today. The future belongs to those who innovate today. In this video, we explore 10 of the most boldest startup ideas in space settlement technology that are set to revolutionize our future. Number 1. Martian dust recycling. Use Martian dust for construction. Advanced technology will allow Martian dust to be used as a raw material for 3D printing and construction of habitats. Repurposing Martian dust will help colonists build sustainable structures without the need for constant resupply from Earth. Number 2. Bio-Regenerative medical systems. Heal with bioengineering in space. Bioengineered systems will offer medical support in space by creating tissue or organs from a person's own cells. Advances in biotechnology will allow astronauts to heal injuries and illnesses without needing Earth-based hospitals. Number 3. Orbital farms for space settlements. Space-grown food for future settlers. Orbital farms will be established to grow crops in zero gravity, providing fresh food to space settlers. Zero-gravity farming will enable space communities to grow food sustainably, improving life on space stations. Number 4. 3D printed lunar and Martian rovers. Build your vehicle on-site. 3D printing will allow space explorers to create their own rovers and vehicles from materials found on the lunar or Martian surface. This technology will significantly reduce the need for Earth-supplied vehicles, making exploration more cost-effective. Number 5. Space-based recycling systems. Recycle everything in space. Advanced recycling technologies will ensure that all waste in space colonies, from food scraps to plastics, is reused and repurposed. These systems will help space colonies maintain a sustainable life cycle without the need for external supplies. Number 6. Lunar solar power plants. Power the moon with sunlight. Solar power plants on the moon will capture sunlight 24/7 due to lack of atmosphere to provide continuous energy for lunar operations. Provides abundant, renewable energy that supports moon bases and space missions. Number 7. Artificial sunlight for space farms. Grow crops with space-based sunlight. Space farms will use artificial sunlight technology that simulates Earth's daylight cycles, promoting crop growth. This will support agriculture in habitats that don't receive natural sunlight, enabling year-round crop production. Number 8. Mars greenhouses for food production. Grow crops on the red planet. Mars will have massive greenhouses capable of growing food in controlled environments with artificial sunlight and atmosphere. Ensures food sustainability for long-term settlers on Mars, using hydroponics and other advanced agricultural techniques. Number 9. Biodegradable space packaging. Reduce waste in space. Biodegradable packaging materials will replace plastics, reducing waste and making it easier to manage trash in space. These materials will decompose in space habitats, minimizing environmental impact and waste disposal issues. Number 10. Cryogenic storage for space farming. Preserve crops for long space journeys. Cryogenic storage systems will be used to preserve and store food crops for long-term space missions and settlements. These systems will allow for the safe storage of fresh food, helping maintain nutrition during extended missions or off-Earth colonization. Mind blown? If you love this futuristic idea, imagine what's coming next. Be part of the revolution. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a game-changing opportunity. This is Innovision, where we're always looking ahead to what's next in technology. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep building the future.